channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a Korean inspired makeup.
Lupit pa ako ng bangs para sa makeup na to.
So, let's get started. For my primer, I will be using this Maybelline Master Prime Mattifying Primer to hide my pores. For my base, I will be using this Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation in the shade Soft Beige. Next, for my concealer, I will be using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to cover my dark circles and blemishes. To set my foundation and concealer, I'm gonna use this Coty Airspun Loose Powder, especially under my eyes where I put the concealer to avoid creasing. For my brows, I'm gonna be using this O.two.o Eyebrow Defining Cream in the shade 01. I tried my best to keep it as straight as possible since this is a Korean inspired makeup and Koreans have that natural straight shaped eyebrows. Now I'm cleaning up my eyebrows using this concealer from Maybelline. I'm gonna be using this peach palette from BYS for my eyes. I'm using this Everbilena eye pencil for my lash line to make my eyes appear wider. I'm curling my lashes using this eyelash curler from Nichido. I will be using this Maybelline Hypercurl mascara to add volume to my lashes. For my contour, I will be using this Vice Cosmetics Aura Contour in the shade Porshur. And I'm gonna apply it on the hollows of my cheeks, temples, jawline, and And I will also use it to contour my nose. For my blush, I'm gonna be using this Careline Oil Control Blush On in the shade Rosy Cheek. I'm using this Careline strobe stick to highlight the highest points of my cheeks. For my lips, I'm gonna be using this lip tint from Happy Skin in the shade Tough.
A few moments later.
Hoy! 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 Yan. Ano next eh? Hindi na sa masarap po. Sikat na nanood. Corn tayo? Ate, may corn tayo? No? Ate, may sarili no. Matapupit na tayo. Kukulang naman yun. Kulang pa na yung ingredients. Ano ba yun? Ay, nagpapasok na. Oo, nagpapasok na. Ayaw mo? Ayaw ng bebe. Hindi, namigay na sila. Hindi mo makita. Go! Nalilido ka kasi ano? Nalilido. Saka natulog. Ha, dito mo ang damit mo. Ganda mo din eh! Mami! Ice cream. Ha? Ito yung ice cream ko na. Saan? Ba yan? Wag na.
That's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you guys on my next vlog. Bye!